welcome to my channel. This is Deg Beauty. Yes, I promise many of my subscribers on my comment section that I will come up with full face makeup tutorial, but we are going to do it episode by episode. Every January I always do full face makeup tutorial, how to apply makeup step by step with explanation. You know, we have different type of video tutorial of makeup. So most of my videos I dropped recently is without explanation, and the video is always on a high speed. So I go through my comment section and I observe that people, my followers, are telling me to come up with makeup tutorial with explanation for them to know what to do. Though I have a Facebook page, I always go live on my Facebook page. I do makeup tutorial with explanation on my Facebook page, the same name, Deg Beauty. But the audience and the followers I have on YouTube, it's like they are not used to my Facebook page. So I promise them on my comment section, I am going to come up with makeup video with explanation. So you are going to be patient, because this video, we are going to split it. I'm going to name it, title it episode by episode from the beginning, because if I say let me add everything together, you will be so bored. And with explanation video, the video, don't expect the video to be 10 minutes. The video cannot be 20 minutes. The video cannot be 30 minutes, because I am going to be explaining. So just subscribe on your notification bell, because this channel, I come up with a head wrap gele, not only makeup tutorial. So sometimes I will come up with the episode. Once you see episode 1, episode 2, episode 3, the continuation. So just try and check it out for you to know from the beginning to the end of the makeup video tutorial. Yes, let me show you my face before I start. This is my face. As you can see, I have a spot face. This spot face I have on my face, they are not just pimples. When I have my last baby 8 years ago, as you can see, this is caused by pregnancy reaction. The doctor says it's pregnancy reaction, but after my makeup, you will not observe any of this. You will not observe any of these spots. So guys, okay, as I said before, we are going to be splitting this video. We will divide it step by step. Just concentrate your eyes on my hand. To get a modern hair in UK is difficult, so I prefer to use my face to do the explanation. Let's get started. This video is for beginner. We have different type of how we apply makeup. Some people apply eyeshadow. They draw their eyeshadow, sorry, their eyebrow before face. But for a beginner, I will advise you, we are going to do, yes, the first one, we are going to start our eyebrow. So this is oil block. If you want to draw your brow, make sure you do threading, or you use blades to line up the brow. But me, my brows, I already do threading. So the reason I'm applying this oil block, because I want to draw the brow before the face. If, for example, I want to do the whole face before the brow, I will just apply primer cream and oil block before any other thing. This is oil block to avoid this area not to be oily later. So next, I am going to use bra timer. Some people know it as bra gel. You take little bits. Fan it. If you want to draw your bra, take your hands from the under part, from here, this place. Okay. When you get to this angle, then you bring your hand down. Don't do too. Just take straight line. When you get to this angle, you bring your hand down. Okay, so the upper one, don't start from here. You start from here. When you get to this angle, you bring your hand down. Then you start drawing stroke. Then we chop it again. For you to have that tiny tip. You come here. Okay, so same. Brushes. So flat, flat, flat. Then this one, this one. This is concealer palettes. So we are going to use our flat brush to take the color, the shade that is darker than my shade a little bit. All these products, I set them. So you take then you take the brighter color. This color is brighter. Take the brighter color. Okay. Same. Then you take the brighter color. This is foundation, my color. This is the color of my shade. I always use foundation to clean the upper side. This is foundation. Don't use concealer for the upper side. It's better you use foundation so that you can spread it to your face. I want to use foundation right now with flat brush. Place it. bring your hand down. Okay, so right now you use this brush to blend okay, you close your eyes and blend this side as well. Make sure you blend the upper side before the blend, and you have to be careful. Guys, that is it. Thank you. So see you on the continuation of this makeup tutorial. See you on my next video. Bye.